We're going to do the exact same thing again. Notice my fences here. You can actually do it without the fence. I think you're probably at that stage where you're probably ready for it. But anyway, we're still getting rid of the same steps. Now, a couple of questions you're probably going to ask is, Mr. Clark, do they always point to the left? Yes, they do. They always point to the left because it's a compound inequality. Notice it goes from smallest to biggest. -4 is less than this, which is less than 53. Okay? So we're going to get rid of that -3. We're going to add 3 to all sides. Okay, -4 plus 3, be careful with that. It is -1, is less than -7x, is less than 56. Still going to divide by -7. Now, you should have learned yesterday that when you divide by a negative, what happens? And that is correct. Your signs switch. So this becomes greater than. This becomes greater than. And what else? Oh, we got to do the negative divided by negative. You can't do that. 1 divided by 7, so you just reduce it. +1/7, because 2 negatives. 56 divided by -7 is -8. Now you notice the sign switched. So instead of pointing to the left, now they're pointing to the right. But if you look, it still goes there. It goes biggest to smallest now. 1/7 is bigger than this, which is bigger than -8. So if you think about that on the number line, 1/7 is positive, barely positive. We're going to put -8 way down here. I'm going to put 0 right there, and we're going to put 1 right there. 1/7 is right here. I'm going to put an open circle at 1/7. I'll even put it really small there, 1/7. And -8's way down here. We're going to put an open circle at -8. And still, x is in between, so we shade in between. Do you always shade in between? Yes, you do, because the arrows are basically a compound inequality, means more than one inequality. I think it'll become a little more clear tomorrow why we shade in between. But if you think about it again, -1/7 is bigger than the shaded region, which is bigger than -8. So -1/7 and -8 are our outsides, and we shade in the middle every